Hi, I'm on the Colordyne stand and I'm with Eric Nelson and Kim Bezic. Kim is from Memjet and Eric Nelson is from Xitron, a long-standing customer of the Harlequin-RIP. They take Harlequin into the Navigator RIP and use Harlequin as the basis for that. So we have a great cooperation going, Eric.
That's right. We take the Harlequin-RIP and we use its inbuilt color pro system for ICC profiling, and we add a couple of tools of our own for spot color matching and other discrete color matching. In addition, because it's the fastest RIP in production, we use that to drive the Colordyne 3600, which runs at 150 meters a minute. Sometimes we need more RIPs, and so we have an architecture that just allows us to plug in as many Harlequin RIPs as we need. On the desktop level, we almost certainly will just need one, and at the level of something like the 3600, we can need 3 or 4 or 5, and we have the freedom to plug in as many as we want.
So the Harlequin-RIP gives you the flexibility and the scalability to deliver whatever your customer wants for their specific application.
That is right, yes. If somebody comes out with a version of this printer that is 1,000 feet per minute, we will just plug in more RIPs.
And Kim, you're from Memjet, so you're the supplier of the heads that are driving the Colordyne machines, and in a moment we're going to wander over to Taylor Buckthorpe, who's the Director of Sales and Marketing at Colordyne, and he's going to show us the 3600. So tell us a bit about the heads.
Yeah, the Memjet print heads have a native 1600 DPI, so that's the highest resolution in the industry from a native perspective, and so it requires actually a lot of speed, a lot of processing power, and so that really is the benefit of the Harlequin-RIP, to drive that 1600 DPI nozzle structure. That gives us, a lot of flexibility in terms of delivering high print quality and delivering it quickly, as Eric said, at the 150 meters per minute in the Colordyne system.
And Memjet's got a bit of a reputation for themselves for the speed at which they operate.
Yeah, that's right. It's sort of that combination of speed and DPI, whether it's in the commercial print segment or the label segment here at LabelExpo. But yeah, it's that combination.
And your heads are very scalable, I think.
They are. Here, the Colordyne system has one head per color, so that gives Colordyne a lot of redundancy in the nozzle structure, but we've got other customers that are running 4 colors through a single head and trying to size down and cost down, the systems that they're delivering down to the desktop. And actually, Colordyne has the entire range of products from desktop to sort of the mini press range and up into the 3600 range they're going to talk about here.
And I think a lot of those use the Harlequin-RIP.
Yes, they do. In fact, all the way down to the desktop. Not every desktop machine uses the Harlequin-RIP, and there's still a lot of situations from desktop all the way up to press where that RIP is valuable for color management, for job costing, and sort of the other functionalities of the RIP, even when speed isn't the critical issue.
So I'm here with Taylor Buckthorpe on the Colordyne stand, and we are next to the 3600 Series Production Class device that uses the Harlequin-RIP and Memjet heads. And Taylor's going to tell us a little bit about the machine.
Hi, thanks. As you said, the 3600 series uses the Harlequin-RIP and the Memjet print heads, all powered by the Xitron Navigator front end. It's a very nice, productive solution for our end users. We get a lot of applications in the label and packaging space where customers are looking to produce any sort of prime label, food and beverage graphics. You also see a lot of the new personalization trends in the market today that are being ran on our technology. What's most valuable out of the tool is really its speed and performance. Our customers are able to achieve 1600 DPI at speeds up to 150 meters per minute. So it's a very high quality, productive solution backed by high quality performance from the folks at Harlequin. So it's been a great solution for not only us as an integrator, but also our customers as end users. So thanks for you guys for your help and support.
And can we take a look inside?
Sure. One of the great things about the solution here is its small, compact footprint. One of Colordyne's key philosophies is keeping a low component-based approach, making it easy for the operators and the customers to maintain the solution on their own. So in a couple key components, you can effectively rebuild the whole engine, and it really goes after the mindset of integrating digital into your applications. So we're really about unlocking powerful tools for our customers, and I think the Harlequin-RIP really adds value there for our customers.
Being able to maintain a system yourself is a real selling point.
Yeah, our customers really like that advantage. It's something that comes from our CEO. He was a converter in his past experience as well, and that was one of the key fundamentals that he really liked about technology, was being able to manage it himself as an end user.
And you mentioned personalization. What kinds of personalization are you seeing?
We see a lot of direct direct to consumer marketing in some of the kind of, how would you refer to it, in some of the like Amazon type of markets where e-commerce applications where customers are buying products online, getting personalized marketing materials printed with their order. So we're seeing some areas like that in some of the logistics space, and then you also see some of the more localization or personalization in the general markets for sports teams, things like that, to just connect more with the local audience with a specific product.